YouTube, is Fred. Got my emerald crab, just picked him up yesterday, and he seems to be on my wall hammer. And you guys tell me what you think. Is he eating my coral? It looks like he's just picking like the ends of it. See? Can't tell. You know, he's definitely eating something. You can see his mouth going, chomp, 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 chomp. You can see. Usually you see his claw. Watch, I'm trying to see if his claw comes out and he pulls something. Let's see. See? He just put something in his mouth. I'm trying to decide if he's going to leave out the tank. This is only his second day. Let's see if he grabs again. And I don't know if he's picking. That's the wall hammer in its entirety. It's nighttime. It's about 10 p.m. Eastern. So everything's kind of closing up. But him on it, I'm sure it's not helping. Let's see. Here he goes. See that? Look at him go. He's going, munch, 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 munch. Trying to decide, again, look at him. Should I keep him? Should I take him out? You guys let me know. Not too many YouTube videos out here with their crab munching on corals. See? See, look, he's picking. He's picking. Look at that. See? What is he eating? Not the fleshy part. Like, what is that? What's in there? And it's good to him. Look at him. Yum, yum, yum. It's getting really good to him. Let me go, guys. Do I need to get rid of this guy? Look, it's like he's putting his hand in a bowl of chips or something. Ruffles or Lay's, like he wants a refill. Popcorn. May I have some butter, please? Yeah, he's just going to town. So, guys, let me know. Look at this. And there's no shame. Let me know if this is going to be a problem. That's him right there. I'm zooming out on my wall hammer. That's my tank as a whole. Maybe let me just put the night lights on so you guys can see. That's him at night. Can't really see him too good now. But you guys know what I mean, so. If you guys could let me know, that'd be great. I appreciate it. Just let me know. Thanks. Like, subscribe, you know.